Day one without a car. This should be interesting. Open the door. So, day one without a car. I have no makeup. This past weekend I stayed at my aunt's house in Howard Beach, and they have like high tide, but she checked and she told me I will be fine, like I can stay over and everything will be fine. But when I woke up and I went outside, my car was practically underwater. Like half of the car was underwater, and I could see it but I couldn't get to it because I had sneakers on. So I put on her what's it called, her rain boots, and I walked over there. My foot was like completely underwater, almost to like my leg. Well, it was on my leg, under my knee basically. Tragic. So my car did not start, obviously. It was filled with water. My Uggs, my makeup palette, my freaking James Charles makeup palette that I bought, it was like sold out everywhere, but I was able to get my hands on it, and now I can't get it again because it's sold out everywhere. So I'm annoyed. That's ruined. All my new makeup, my Tarte Tape Shape. You girls know, whoever's watching, I'm sure you know that makeup is very expensive, so I'm sad about that. And my car is probably gonna get totaled, so now I don't have a car. And I have 2 appointments today, and my mom is driving me, so I'm like thankful that she's off on Mondays like I am, because if not,
Southern State Parkway for 23 miles.
I really don't know what I would have done. So I missed my first appointment though because I was so tired. I was editing a video. And 2, my second appointment is my hair appointment, so that's what this vlog is going to be today. I'm getting my hair done. I don't want to say what I'm doing yet, but actually I'll say it. I think I'm chopping it like all the way to like right here. My blonde is so damaged. I've been blonde for almost 7 years, and like I have to get rid of it because it's ruining my hair. Oh, and by the way, Maureen, my best friend, the one that was in my last video, she recommended this place because she goes there. It's far, but if it's, hopefully it's worth it, because if not, I'm gonna be so mad at her. He lives in Suffolk County and I'm in Nassau County, so it's a drive. Hopefully it's worth it. Hopefully he knows what he's doing. Shout out to him. I don't know him yet, but he does her hair and she likes it, so I'm trusting her. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get over there. Let me show you what my hair's looking like now.
How much of your roots do you want dark still?
Oh, I want all of them.
Ella quiere empezar hasta donde lo tiene. Pero yo puedo ir porque muchos sitios ahí son blancos y no
saben, ellos no usan color. No, ellos no les gusta eso. El americano no brega con color.
This crispy end's about to be gone, bitch. Ooh.
Crispy end.
Y para los polinizadores, los martillos pescadores comienzan a incubar desde que aparecen.
Ay, Dios, ¿me van a interesar acá? Así como
un monstruo.
It's filming, it's recording already?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the short part.
Yeah.
My hair is done. It's not what I wanted. So I'm home. I'm annoyed. I'm irritated. I didn't even want to film because of how irritated I am, but it is what it is. I'm not really feeling my hair. I walked in with a picture of exactly what I wanted, and he said perfect, you know, he could do it. And I left looking nothing like the picture. He ended up dyeing my roots, bleaching them at that. So I've been growing my hair out for like a few months, so I don't have to bleach the roots, and I could just let everything grow out. But he bleached them, so that's that. I'm just so highly annoyed. Not only is my hair like still blonde, but I had to cut it. My hair is still damaged. My hair basically is what I already had, just not yellow. Like, it's toned. Whatever. I'm just so annoyed. I don't even want to film anymore today. Okay, update. I'm trying to get myself used to it. It's not that it's like hideous or anything, but it just wasn't what I asked for. But whatever, I'm just going to freaking deal with it. And what I'm hoping for is, I'm hoping when my hair is curly that it actually looks good, you know what I'm saying? Because straight is just, it's just not working for me, especially because it's not done with the flat iron, and I'm not supposed to be using the flat iron anymore. I'm supposed to blow dry it or go under the rollers or do whatever. But I'm just hoping that my curls are like somehow back from cutting it, you know? Such a process. I mean, I'm low-key a little bit happy that I'm not all brown, because I didn't want that either. I'm so confused. So confused or whatever. I'll deal with it. I just needed to quickly update you guys, but now I'm really gone. All right.
Cause everything is okay right here.